Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So I would like first of all my friends to move to the weekly chart to show you something interesting. Actually not even weekly chart, I mean monthly chart. So right now this is of course the monthly chart of the silver, and what I would like to show you is this. As you can see, based on the monthly chart, we have actually a broken level of a resistance right at 47.878. As you can see, that resistance has actually been formed since July 2010. And as you can see right now, the silver has actually just retested the broken level of a resistance and became a new support. Now, after highlighting this area, let me just now move back to the weekly chart. Here is now the weekly chart. And as you can see, my friends, that broken level of a resistance right now becoming here a new level of a support. That's actually what more interesting to me. Now, by moving back to daily chart, I know that what we are seeing right here seems like a double top pattern, but that doesn't really seem like a completed one yet, my friends. The completed double top pattern usually being identified by, first of all, a bearish breakout from the previous level of a resistance, and also even more bearish breakout from the what we call here the neckline. So far we have here what seems like it's gonna be a double top, but it's not really yet completed. That's why I'm against selling the silver at the moment. Also, not to add the uncertainty in the market, the gold is, in my opinion, is going to continue to rise, and hence the silver as well most likely will also continue to rise. All the metals are becoming right now more attractive to the investors because everybody seems to be avoiding the US dollar since the approach of Mr. Trump's administration and being involved more in the central bank. All of these things making the US dollar less attractive to the investors and everybody going to the metals. So for that reason, I believe the silver is going to continue to rise for the upcoming week. But again, there is always a chance that, of course, I'm wrong, and maybe we will actually witness a strong bearish breakout happen right here, and that will actually confirm the double top pattern, and for that we might actually consider selling. But again, I'm just telling you, there is always a chance that any analysis sent out here might actually be wrong, and that's of course normal. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, let's go back to daily chart. Now, daily chart, I would like to show you something, my friends. Based on daily chart, what we have right here is actually a continuation in the rise. Check this out. We have here support trend line number 1, support trend line number 2, number 3, and finally number 4. That's actually confirming that the silver so far seems to be respecting that level of a support trend line and most likely will actually continue the rise. If this candle actually would have closed as a bearish one or a strong body, I would actually consider selling the silver. But because of this pullback right here, I'm actually looking to continue buying it. So let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so now based on the 4-hour time frame, I would actually like to consider buying the silver right on this level of a support. Why? For several reasons. Number one, if we apply right now here the magic of trend lines by simply connecting this level of a resistance trend line, as you can see right here, we have here a channel. Now what we will do next is simply drag and drop the same line that we have just simply drawn here and place it right on the next level of a support trend line. Check this out. We have here a support trend line, became a resistance trend line, and again support trend line, and here we had another fake breakout. So combining this with the master key support trend line that we have shown on daily chart, there is a high chance for the silver to reverse right on this area and then continue the rise. Not to mention also that actually here, let me just show it to you. Actually, we have right here a broken channel, as you can see, like this. So right now we have here a channel, as you can see, that actually that has just been broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, and we already have here 2 attempts also of a support trend line. Now, due to this strong upper trend, most likely the silver indeed, my friends, will continue to rise upon the pressure of the previous level of a support right here exactly at 49.331. So we can actually consider buying the silver right on this area, which was in the past also a strong key level of resistance, which most likely won't be ignored easily. Now, let's now highlight the TP and the stop loss. So as you can see, also based on the 4-hour time frame, we also have here a channel, as you can see, or actually a support trend line. Check this out. This is interesting. So If the silver won't actually reverse at our area and continue the fall, it actually might reverse exactly at the same level of a support trend line. Therefore, our stop loss is going to be just a little bit lower than the support trend line. Therefore, our stop loss is going to be just right there at 48.035, which is going to be around 126 pips only. Meanwhile, our TP will actually be right here at the highest level of a key resistance, which is the nearest one to our entry at 52.275, aiming around, hopefully gonna be 300 pips in our favor with this signal. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that will be, my friends, our silver signal. And really, I hope this one is going to work well, and hopefully we will make good profits with it. But again, my friends, another reminder that this signal actually, guys, might actually go in a drawdown of around 82 to 100 pips. So please, my friends, for that, be prepared. And always remember, every signal that you're receiving on YouTube might fail. In the end, silver, just like any another chart, is actually subjective to the news. This week, actually, my friends, we have the core CPI news, and that might make an impact on the market. So please, let's be careful and wise, and remember, any signal might fail, and for that, let's all be ready. As a trader, you are also investor. So you are actually investing an amount of your in your capital from you are actually investing an amount from your capital in this trade. If you actually have capital, for example, your capital is like $5,000, you can actually invest $200 in this trade, for example. So make your stop loss worth exactly $200, and that's going to be your investment. So if the trade will fail, you have been prepared for the losses. And if you're actually going to make profit, it actually might be even $400 or even more. So again, my friends, let's be careful and wise about how we are using any signal from YouTube. And in the end, don't forget, please, to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are getting here on YouTube. That channel, guys, is Xtreme Gold Signals, and this channel is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it. In the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.